Hey everyone. Hey, we have a special guest again this week on Tech Tuesday with Tom. Haylee Barillas is going to show us wiser.me. So without any further ado, everyone, here's Haylee.
Hi everyone. I am so excited to show you guys this wiser.me. I'm just going to create a short video kind of introducing it to you. And then I really encourage you all to get on here and just kind of play around with it, create a free account. And I hope you guys like it just as much as I do. My kids love it too. I have asked every single class, do they prefer Google Slides, which is what I have been doing in the past, or do they prefer Wiser Me, which is what I've been using for the past couple weeks? And outstandingly, all of them have chosen Wiser Me. So the one thing that I really want to make sure you guys are aware about is you guys can search for anything. So this whole database of worksheets right here that you see, and it goes on forever, they are all created by other teachers. So anything you think you want to teach, it's probably on here. Um, to have the free account, you have to post it publicly for everyone else to be able to use, which I think is an awesome feature because it allows teachers to help other teachers for free. You know, it's a hard time. So you can literally search for anything like they have up here, water cycle science, third grade. I usually type in what my lesson is that day. So like maybe food or el cuerpo, which means the body or whatever. I type that in and I can find something about it. And then you can always go in and edit those worksheets. So maybe that teacher who created that worksheet, maybe they left something out that maybe wasn't in their lesson, but it's in yours, or they have some extra stuff in there that maybe is in that teacher's textbook, but it's not in yours. So you don't need to add that. You can go in there and completely edit the entire thing to make it tailored to your lesson and your students. So I absolutely love that. So I want to show you one of my worksheets that I have made. Um, I've made quite a few recently. So let me just show you this one because it has a lot of cool features on here that I did want to go over with you guys. Okay, so anytime you click on a worksheet that another teacher has made, or you create your own worksheet, you will come to this page. So this page is where you are designing it. You're making the whole thing. So if it'll load, I'll show you. So you can click on, go back. You can click on any of these and create a whole new theme. So there's different holidays. There's just plain colors. I like this Viva Mexico one because it's Spanish and Mexico. There's a chalkboard, paper clips. There's a lot of math ones, back to school. They're really just simple designs that'll make it aesthetically pleasing to your students, make it more fun. So right here, I got cactuses. After you choose your design, you can change the font color and you can change the font type. So you can just tailor it however you want. So I insert a picture of their vocabulary from their book on here. So they have that. I've inserted this video that I made from the videos in their book so they can hear the Spanish being spoke. Another picture. And this one I really like. It's a fill on an image. And I just created these little dots to where they will click on them and type in the answers. And as long as they type in the answers correctly, it'll automatically mark it correct. If it marks it incorrect for maybe an extra period or something spelled wrong, then you can go in and just click on it and mark it correct for them. So it automatically changed the grade. Then I got multiple choice. This where they have to put it in correct category, matching, and then fill in the blank. So here's other tasks you can add. Open question where they just type in multiple choice, fill in the blank. The fill in the blanks, you can choose to have no word bank. You can choose to have a word bank like located at the top or the bottom. I can't remember where it goes, but it goes on one of those. And then they have to look and then place where it goes. Or you can have a drop down fill in the blank where they can click on the blank and it has a drop down of options. Fill on an image, which is what I really like. Matching, table, sorting. They can draw. So if you want them to draw something for their assignment, they can draw literally right on the assignment and you just go in and grade it. Text box, you can insert an image just for them to look at, a video, a link. You can embed something on there. A discussion, so the discussion board, the whole entire class will get to discuss something on the worksheet itself. Reflection, so you can, say, do you feel good about these vocab words this week? And you can get a, response from everybody, whether they're ready for the test or they're not, or you can, ask them whatever. And then I know everybody used to like the word search puzzles, but with COVID and everything being online, that's kind of hard to do. This actually gives you an option to make word searches. So once you have everything the way you like it, you click review, and you'll get to see what the students will see. So you're kind of reviewing everything to make sure it's exactly how you want it. So this is what the kids will see. So when they click on this, it'll say enter text. So they have to enter the correct answer. And down here it says 0 out of 5. So once they type something in, it turns blue. So they've marked it done and it says 1 out of 5. So they can't miss one if they're paying attention to this down here. Then they got the multiple choice. This is where they put them in the correct category. Matching. So they just drag this to the correct answer. And then fill in the blank. This one I chose not to have a word bank. And then once you're done, you click assign to learners. And you can choose to make it go right to Google Classroom, which I love. It makes it so easy. You just title it what you want, hit the Google Classroom button. It takes you to Google Classroom where then you can then set up your assignments like you normally would. And then once they turn it in, you go to the same thing. You click on your worksheet and you go to answers. It's loading. Okay, and now you can see that it has graded everything for me. And I like to go in, since I'm still kind of new to this program, and make sure that, especially where they got to fill in the blank, the dots, I make sure that it wasn't a simple spelling error or something. That's why it was counted wrong. So I just make sure that everybody got it right, and then take these grades and put them in harmony. So I hope that you guys go in and try this stuff out for yourself. Just go to wiser.me, make a free account, and just play around with it. It's really easy. You can create assignments really quickly. And I hope you guys enjoyed this fun tutorial, and I hope it was helpful.